Okay, so guys, we're here. We finally arrived. This is the front door. That's me. I know I look terrible, but that's the bathroom. We were actually upgraded, like it was not meant to be like this.
It was still meant to be nice, but just not as,
yeah.
I don't think it was meant to have like a whole kitchen area. But
It was meant to have a kitchenette.
Kitchen. This is actual kitchen. That's
Yeah, this is actual like proper kitchen. We have like a breakfast bar as well, like a full-on stove so I can cook. We have a big fridge and freezer, so like yeah, one night I can cook. And yeah, this is the living room area. This is so cool, like I've never had an upgrade before.
Oh my god.
That's the TV. There is a balcony
You can't really see
out there.
Open it, but I don't know how to open it. Why is it so difficult?
Oh my gosh, we could actually stand out there. Oh my gosh, that's giving me
I wish we had
anxiety.
the view going that way though. Because
True.
I'd love to have the view of the first view, but it's all good.
And then this is the bedroom. It's so big. Everything's just so big. There's a balcony here too, I think.
Yeah, but I don't know how to open it. It's one long balcony.
And that's the bed. The bed's really nice. He gave us a king size bed because it upgraded. And this is our bathroom. It's so cool. I'm so happy we upgraded because I kept on praying that we'll be upgraded either in the aircraft or in the hotel, and God has done it. So I'm happy. So yeah, this is our hotel.
It's really pretty though.
It's so nice.
It's really nice.
I did not expect this, so thank God. So yeah, we had a terrible
Okay, so
experience
what has happened was
on our shuttle transfer.
it's not a shuttle. That's the thing.
Whatever
it's not a shuttle.
Yeah, it's not a shuttle.
So what happened was we booked a private transfer, meaning we expect a nice, maybe luxurious car, but usually it's typically a nice car, just us and the driver, nobody else.
Yeah.
So we get, it took a while for me to get my bag because my bag came out like 10 hours later. But when it did come, we see my name. Cool. The guy's like, oh, could you go over there? And so what happened? We were like, oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
he made us wait.
He made us wait. So I thought he was going to be like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
He's like on the phone, like FaceTiming
Yeah.
his wife. I don't know what he's doing. But
he was FaceTiming
he's like,
someone.
and this is like what? 3 something in the morning. Like, we paid
We
for a
wanna
private
go.
transfer. If it was a shuttle, I understand. Or like, if it was a group thing, I'd understand because obviously you have to wait for different passengers, but we paid extra to be in a private car. So we're waiting around. I need to go to the toilet.
I was getting anxious.
Yeah, she's getting anxious. So I need to go to the toilet now. And then there was a queue to go to the toilet because they were cleaning and they weren't letting anyone in. And the boss was like, oh, Lizzie. And I'm like, he has to wait because I need to use the toilet. Okay, so I've done the toilet, we go. And I see this bus, this like school bus, like a white bus, not a bus, it's a bus, right? It's a bus.
Is it a bus?
Yeah, like a white school bus, I don't know. It had at least like 10, 11 seats. That's not a transfer. Not like, as soon as I saw the vehicle, I was like, that is not it's a transfer.
It was
but
a bus.
It's not a private vehicle that we paid for, like we paid
Because she's
extra.
been here before.
Right.
She forgot to add, and
Yes.
when she came, it was a private transfer, and it was like an actual nice car. Like
it was a beautiful. I can't remember what the brand of the car. I mean, it's not all about the brand of the car, but if you pay extra for something, I expect to have. You know, I expect
to have what you pay for.
Exactly. Like last time, we had like water, there was
And
mint. Even
it's
had
not
a guide tour of Dubai of like what you can do.
They bumped us.
No, seriously, I'm getting my money back.
But yeah, not only that, yeah, I was really anxious because we were in a car with 3 different guys, and it's just 2 of us.
The only thing
That's scary.
The only thing that kept me saying is that although not all countries are innocent, I feel like particularly with Dubai and certain Arab countries, I knew there's a certain like safety level.
Yeah.
So that reassured me. in a sense. Like if I was in, maybe if I was in another country, I would have been like, oh my god. But because we're in Dubai, I feel like it's more. Although it's not all like
it's not
perfect and like
I know I was still
it's not all safe because I've watched those documentaries
exactly.
about those like house helps going there and getting killed and abused. So it's not all safe, but I just had this reassurance that we were okay. But we were in the bus with 3 men.
3 men.
Firstly, it's a private transfer. All we need is the driver. Why do we need all these extra people? I just found that very disrespectful.
Very.
Like I don't see why there's 3 men. And the funny thing is, the guy that said wait over there, he wasn't the one that drove. It was another random guy.
That's what was weird.
Like, what the heck? It was like another random guy from like.
It was just that experience was not nice.
I was like that. I was not happy with that.
I wasn't happy. Maybe Uber would have even been better.
I'm telling you, like
that was not good.
What irritates me is that we paid for a private vehicle, and we paid extra. I mean, the vehicle was supposed to be a nice vehicle, not a 12-seater bus with 3 men and 2 females. Like that is very uncomfortable.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to stop mine here
because your thing is dying.
I think my time is going down.
But that kind of irritated me. So me and Boss and I should say, we were like, oh.
Hey everyone, so it's morning time, we're awake, the view is absolutely gorgeous, it's so beautiful. We have a balcony, it's so high up, like I can't show you what's at the bottom because it's so high up, it's scary, but the view is amazing. We're on the 32nd floor, as you can see through the reflection of my glasses. We're high, like all the way up. So yeah, so it's been a hell of a night, to be honest. Like what has happened has been not the greatest. First our shuttle, then Lizzie's baggage got some of the stuff got taken, like they actually physically broke into her luggage. So yeah, so we've not been like, so far we've not been in the best of spirits. You can see the room is messed up right now, but we're looking to go to the mall. We're meant to be having waxes today, like, and I've never had a wax before, so I am scared. I am nervous, I am terrified. But oh yeah, we need to remember to take our painkillers. Okay. Yeah, so we need to remember to take our painkillers so that it doesn't hurt, hopefully. And yeah, we're just gonna explore because we don't really know like what's in this area. Like we weren't expecting it to be like this. Like we weren't expecting to be not around many things. Like we're in like a high street and there's like loads of cars and it's on a main road, but the hotel itself is nice, but it's just the area. I wouldn't come back to this area. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Dubai Mall because we're really close, like it's a few minutes drive, and yeah, it should be fun. This is my outfit. My outfit is from Marks and Spencer. This is from H&M. Slippers are from, where are they from? New Look. I got them ages ago. And yeah, I'm not really wearing makeup. I don't feel like I should because like it's hot and my skin is looking good regardless. So yeah, just done my eyebrows. We're ready to go. So let me show Lizzie.
Oh, can I show everyone my... Oh,
say hi.
Okay, so I'm really excited because I went to duty free, of course, in London, and I got the Jo Malone fragrance, and I'm trying to figure out which one.
But this is not your haul.
Oh, but I really want to show it because I'm really excited. So I got the English pear and freesia.
Freesia.
Oh, whatever. And then the coffee, barley, and
Do you know how long
Bali.
it took her to
Yeah, I'm a
pick?
fragrance person.
First
so
she
I
was
had
like,
to-
oh, this smells like toilet. I don't want
It
this.
smells like toilet.
Then she was like, this
wanna take it
reminds
out.
me of something. This reminds me of when I was little, like a certain smell. And she was there for like I think we were there for at least 30 minutes. And she was just going on and on. Even the woman was like, when she heard this smells like toilet, she was like, I was like, wow. But yeah, guys, do you know what? Yeah, we just realized that there's no pots and pans, so I can't even
It's
cook.
just decoration.
It's just for decoration. Like this whole kitchen is just there.
But that's how a lot of places are. Like you go into a hotel and there's like
Yeah, they're
beautiful kitchen, but
expecting-
there's like, am I supposed to go buy pots and pans?
That's
and
what
bring
I'm
it back to
saying.
London? Like, it just doesn't make any sense.
But yeah, so yeah, now we're gonna get ready to go to the mall. We're gonna get our waxes. I don't know why I'm saying it like that because I'm not excited.
I'm scared. We're all scared. Everyone's scared.
But yeah, it's gorgeous though. This hotel is nice. It's just that we don't like the area. I definitely wouldn't come back to this area, not gonna lie. I don't think I would anyway. I would want to be near the beach.
No, the problem
I'm
is
a beach person.
The last time we came here, we was near the beach. I stayed near the
Well, you
marina.
came here.
Yeah, I came here. So I stayed near the marina, which was really nice. And I see what she means. Like we were in, like right now we're on the main road, but when we was near the marina, it was like different hotels.
Yeah.
And we were on like the marina.
More
pier, and
tourists.
we had the most. Wait, hold on. Where's my phone?
Although there's tourists in the hotel, like we haven't seen any tourists walking on the road so far. Wait, hold on. Trying to lock my phone. I'm trying to show the people. Like, don't know if you can see that. Yeah,
but that was my view from the balcony. Like, it was.
But then you got upgraded though.
We did get upgraded.
Yeah.
We did get upgraded, but that was the view. It
But
was
yeah,
freaking
I would have
beautiful.
preferred to be near there
It was
because I feel
beautiful.
like there'll be more tourists walking around there
Yeah,
than here.
it was loads of tourists.
Here we have not seen anything.
Well, we have seen tourists, but I don't think they're from, because the couple next to us were not speaking English.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna stop the vlog here because I'm a bit conscious. We've got 7 days here, so I need to have enough space for 7 days. So I'll see you guys maybe at the mall. Bye. So this is like the hallway of our room. Our room is on the left. These are like all the lifts and stuff to get to where you need to be. It's so long. Not like it's so long, but like there's so many floors. It just feels impossible to go to each one.
We're so high up, it takes like 10 minutes for
Yeah, we're always waiting, aren't we?
We're always waiting, like, a good 10 minutes. If you're running late, this is like the worst thing to do. You're always waiting.
Like we literally have to call our Uber when we get downstairs.
Oh wait, is there one down here?
I'll see.
Wait, you need to be going down.
So guys, the quality of my camera
Yes.
might change because literally we couldn't bring our laptops and I wanted to edit on the go, but we couldn't because of weight restrictions. Weight restrictions. And yeah. Oh my gosh, this
It's like that we're running after.
this thing is tricking us.